Good morning, grade 4. Now I will explain operation on fractions. The first, I will explain addition and subtraction. Attention with me. If I have this fraction 5 over 9 plus 3 over 9 plus 4 over 9. When I have the same denominator, the first step I should write the denominator as it. What's the number as the denominator is 9, mister, so that I will write 9 at first. Okay. After that, what I can do? The first, you should add the numerator. All of numerator 5 plus 3 equal 8, 8 plus 4 equal 12. Okay. This is proper or improper? This is in the simplest form or not. You should, after addition, you should check the fraction it is in the simplest form or not. Mister, it isn't in the simplest form because is the numerator and the denominator I can divide it by 3. Okay, excellent. Simplest form mean divide. Excellent. So that I will divide 12 divided 3 equal 4. After that, 9 divided 3 equal 3, mister. Okay. This proper or improper? This improper, mister, because numerator greater than denominator. So that I should search a number less than 4 and divisible by 3. What's the number previous 4? Is 3, mister. Can I divide it by 3? Yes, so that I will do this step. The first step, you should write the denominator as it. After that, you do minus between 3 and 4 and divide it between 3 and 3. 3 divided 3 equal 1. I will write in whole number 4 minus 3 equal 1. So that the answer will be 1 and 1/3. The next one, I have in denominator 11. So that the first step I should write 11. After that, I do addition as the numerator. 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 5 equal 14. Mister, can I add the denominator 11 plus 11 plus 11? No, you can't. You should write denominator as it without any increasing. Okay? Okay, mister. This number in simplest form is mister because 11 and 14 I can't divide it by any number. This improper or proper, this improper, mister, so that you should convert it to mixed number. How can I convert it to mixed number? I search the number divisible by 11 and less than 14. What's this number? 13? No, mister. 12? No, mister. 11? Yes, mister. So that I should write small 12. After that, you should write in the mixed number, write the denominator as it. After that, you do divide between this 11 and this 11 and minus between 14 and 11. 14 minus 11 equal 3. 11 divided 11 equal 1. So that the answer will be 1 and 3 over 11. The next one. What's the first step? You should add the denominator or not? No, mister. I write the denominator as it. After that, I should do addition to the numerator. 3 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4 equal 10. Okay, mister, this is not in the simplest form because I can divide it by 2 up and down because this all of them are even. 10 divided 2 equal 5. 8 divided 2 equal 4. What's the next step? I should convert this improper fraction to mixed. Okay, what's the number less than 5 and can divide it by 4? Is 4, mister. So that I should write small 4. 4 divided 4 equal 1 in whole number and write 4 in denominator is it as it. I should do minus between 5 minus 4 equal 1. Okay, the next one. I see 3 in the denominator, so that I should write 3. After that, I do addition at the denominator. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 and 3 are prime, so that in the simplest form. This improper or not improper? This improper, so that I should convert it to mixed number. What's the number less than 7 and can divide it by 3? This 6, mister. So that I do subtract between 7 and 6 and divide it between 6 and 3. 6 divided 3 equal 2. 7 minus 6 equal 1. Don't forget the 3 in the denominator. Okay. Number 5. Attention with me. Now I have 6 over 5 plus 3 over 5 plus 1. Mister, this number, it isn't in fraction. What I can do, you should convert this one. When you see 1, you should cancel it and replacement by the number in denominator divided by itself. I will replacement 1 by 5 over 5. If the denominator is 7, I will replacement 1 by 7 over 7. If the denominator is 9, I will replacement 1 by 9 over 9. Okay. After that, I will do steps. The first step, you should write denominator as it. After that, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 5 equal 14. This improper method, so that I will search number divided by 5 and less than 14, so that I will search this 10. 10 divided 5 equal 2 in whole number, and don't forget 5 at denominator. After that, you should do minus between 14 and 10. It will be 4, so that the answer will be 2 and 4 over 5. Okay, I will solve this number 9 and the number 10, and you should complete from your sheet. This is 1 plus 4 over 5 minus 1 over 5. What I can do as a first step, mister, I should cancel 1 and replacement by 5 over 5. Why 5 over 5? Because 5 in denominator. Okay, what the first step, mister? I should do this two fraction addition between each other. I should write 5 in the denominator. After that, this 5 plus 4 equal 9. Minus 1 over 5 equal. The first step, I should write denominator. What about minus, mister? It's very easy. I write denominator and do minus. 9 minus 1 equal 8. This improper, mister, so that I should convert it to mixed number. Yes, excellent. What's the number less than 8 and divided by 5? Is 5, mister. 5 divided 5 equal 1 in whole number. 8 minus 5 equal 3 in numerator, and write 5 in denominator again. Okay, so the next one, mister, I have one. I will cancel it and replacement by what? By 10 over 10, because the numerator is 10. 10 over 10. 5 plus 10 equal 15 over what? Over 10. Denominator, I can't do anything at denominator. Minus 2 over 10. After that, I should do subtract. 15 minus 2 equal 13 over 10. Okay, this improper method, so that I should convert it to mixed number. What's the number less than 13 and divisible by 10? Is 10, mister. Okay, excellent. You should write small 10. After that, 10 divided 10 equal 1 in whole number. 13 minus 10 equal 3 in numerator. And 10, I will write it again. This is the first sheet.